because for me, I've always wanted to become a lawyer, but I never knew why. Because I knew that my mom did it. That's pretty much it. But I asked these attorneys, why did they become a lawyer, and why should people become a lawyer? So of course the obvious answer is, it is a high paying job, because of all the long work hours that you put in, all the big responsibilities that you have, and all of the schooling that you do in order to become one. Of course, you're going to get paid pretty well. But that should not be the number one reason why you want to become a lawyer. Because if that is, then you're you're not going to have that desire to continue to work. It's going to be too hard and challenging for you. But the main reason why people should become a lawyer is that you will change people's lives. There are a lot of people who might be wrongfully accused um, for ascendance in criminal cases, for example. If I've killed someone and I didn't actually do that and I've been put in prison, you as a lawyer have the power and ability to release that person from jail. Of course, it's going to take a lot, but you have that power to change someone's life. And so that should be your number one reason why you want to become a lawyer, is you have that power, the subpoena power, to help out people. And also another big thing, is that, at least I like this a lot, is that every day is different in the legal life. Jessica emphasized um, that every day it's things are super different. You may be doing similar things every day. For example, you may be taking depositions every day, but each case is completely different from each other. You may be handling a case that involves a car accident, and the next day you may be talking about a case that involves wrongful termination or sexual assault or other, or even a criminal case if you're specialized in that. And so every day you are meeting new people, you are doing different things. It's not a 9 to 5 job where you're doing the same thing every day. It's a lot different, and it keeps you on your toes. And also too, with being a lawyer, there's a lot of room for personal development and growth. It's not a job where it takes you 6 months of training in order for you to specialize in this, and then you know exactly what to do, and you're just doing the same routine. But you continue to learn new strategies and how to carry out your case, new strategies in how to communicate with other lawyers, how to communicate with your jury, and you learn from these mistakes. Um, and so with this personal development and growth, you find purpose in yourself, and then you can also take this purpose and take what you've learned, and you can maybe apply it to others as well. It is, according to Rick and also Joe Joyce, they said that the legal work, or the legal foundation that you have and you're basing everything off of, this can be applied to all aspects of life. You can apply legal work to your financials. You can apply legal work to your life at home. You can apply it to sports and communication in fights and various other parts of your daily life. So that is a big incentive of becoming a lawyer. And then also Rick Lundell, he also said that you have that opportunity to do well by doing good. Basically meaning that you have the ability to do good on this planet by helping others, and you have the opportunity to really change their life and to do well with it. So I just want to read just a couple of quotes to conclude this presentation from the four attorneys that I was able to speak with some personal advice that they gave me and that they gave to the general public for and particularly students who want to go into law school. So Jessica Johnston, she said, she quoted that if you need to think really hard before considering about going into law school. You got to make sure that this is what you want to do. Because of course law school is very expensive. It takes a lot of time out. Usually people who are in law school, they're not working because they need to focus on this. So Jessica, basically she just said, make sure this is what you want to do. Don't go to law school if it's just something you want to try, or if you want to work, if you want to do something else. Make sure that you want to go into law school. And then Rick said don't be afraid to look stupid, because you will look stupid in many aspects of the legal work. In law school, you may be asked a question that you may not know the answer to, and you'll stand up in front of 50, 100 people, and you may answer something completely different. You may feel stupid about it, but Rick is basically saying here, don't be afraid, because it's all progress. You will learn from those mistakes, and make sure that you take those embarrassing moments and work on it and learn from it, and that will help you progress. Joe Joyce said, there's a lot of law firms you can get accepted into, but there's only one job that is fit just for you. So there are many places or different law firms on the planet that you can get into, but there's only one place out there, one firm, one position that is perfect for you. So just make sure to not get overwhelmed. Remember that don't put yourself down if you're not doing too well in the class, because there are a lot of places that will accept you, but there's only one place that is just right for you. And then Kristen Van Orman ended our interview with her saying, enjoy the process. Because you may be overwhelmed by all the assignments that you have. You may be overwhelmed with preparing and studying for the LSAT, or your GPA might not be too high right now, or financials could be difficult as well. But just remember to enjoy the process, because in the end, you're helping others. You're affecting their lives. So I hope this is beneficial for all of you guys. I had a great time interviewing these attorneys, and yeah, hopefully this helped anyone who is considering or having doubts about becoming a lawyer, going to law school. Hopefully this will help you make up your decision, make up your mind of what you want to do. So thank you very much, and hopefully this is very, very beneficial for you. Thanks.